Hey, this is Royce with Pal Lighting, and today I'm in our Houston, Texas warehouse. We're gonna be going over 4 misconceptions about LED strip lighting in a pool. But before we begin, I just want to acknowledge just how difficult it is to build and maintain a pool. A lot of times it's almost like a second home on a property. So making sure that everything is right and goes well is very important. So go ahead and in the comments below, shout out your favorite pool builder, your favorite pool servicer. Let them know that you're thinking of them because their work is very difficult. Misconception number 1, LED strip lighting is a low cost or cheap alternative to pool lighting. So I think a lot of us got exposed to strip lighting from the tape light that it kind of has the sticky back. It starts drooping after a couple of months. So it gives a kind of an impression that strip lighting itself is low cost. Of course, if you go on Amazon, there's probably hundreds of dealers who are willing to sell you any cheap thing that they want just to get your money, just so you have lighting for a couple of days or so. So if you want high quality, pool ready strip lighting, it's gonna cost you some money, upwards of thousands of dollars. On top of that, just to install the strip properly is gonna take an additional cost, additional know-how, additional research. So LED strip lighting is not necessarily a low cost option for lighting a pool. It is really cool, and it's a great way to actually get a full illumination around there. It just takes a little bit extra money to get it done right the first time. Misconception number 2, all LED strip lighting is the same. No, they're not the same. There's a whole world of difference between different LED strip lighting. So working with a manufacturer who can help you along the way and explain what the differences are, what your application is generally the best way to go. LED strip lighting is just as robust and complex with options as you would anything else in the lighting world. If you just go to grab a light fixture from your local Home Depot, you're going to experience a whole world of different variety and options and applications. LED strip lighting is exactly the same, even down to which way it bends, right? This LED strip is designed to bend this way, which means it's one application. This LED strip is meant to bend this way, which means that it's a different application. Color output, certain like brightness, how far the diodes are separated, what the diffuser is like, if there's even a diffuser, what the track is like. There's a lot of details to go over, so it's not just a one and done solution. Misconception number 3, that you just want the brightest strip that you can get. Okay, so imagine you're a pool owner, you got LED strip lighting in your pool, you're just seeing it for the first time, it's lit up, it's glowing, and the very first thought you're likely gonna have, this is way too bright. So you want to make sure that when you are getting LED strip installed that you have some way of controlling the light. Yes, if you're just showing off the pool, wanting to show off your backyard and enjoy your space, you might want to turn it all the way up to full brightness. But if you're really actually trying to jump in the pool, maybe you're having a pool party and you want to tone it down a little bit, well, you want to make sure you have some kind of controls involved for that. And if you're into color changing, you want to make sure you have color changing. So lighting a pool properly is just the same as lighting a house properly. If you just go with the brightest thing around, you're going to have some results that are unwanted. With LED strip lighting, it's not really about brightness, because if you have the right LED strip, you're going to have plenty of coverage. It's going to be plenty of bright. What you really want to focus on more is how you're controlling it, either through a dimmer, through a phone app, whatever the solution is, you're going to want some kind of way to dim the lights. Misconception number 4, LED strip lighting is unbreakable. So I don't really know the best way to phrase this, but a big problem we do see in LED strip lighting applications is when it's getting installed, it's getting twisted, it's getting bent. Sometimes they get the LED strip and they think they're Indiana Jones and they're trying to just roll it out, clank it around, almost treating it like a strand of Christmas light. We're talking about hundreds of dollars, some not thousands of dollars worth of lighting equipment. Please, you have to treat it that way. So you got to think your LED strip lighting is designed to go in a certain way. This one's designed to go attached to the top, so it's bending this way. If we bend it the other way, the electrical components would break. This one is designed just the opposite. So you're going to install it to the actual wall itself, and so it's designed to bend like this. If you try bending it or twisting it the other way, it's likely gonna break. You pick it up, it might feel like a rope, it might feel a little bit like a toy, but the reality is that this is a very expensive, well-crafted lighting solution. So please treat it as such. So what kind of misconceptions about strip lighting are you finding? If I left anything out, or if you have any questions about it, go and leave a comment below, or send a question to our team and we'll get you answered. Here at Pal Lighting, we provide LED strip lighting solutions for just about any application whatsoever. Reach out at any time. Let's get you started today. Go and scan the QR code now, see our whole product page of LED strip lighting solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.